Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see what is MySQL comment, how many types of MySQL comments you can put, what is the use of MySQL comment, and how to use comment in the particular query. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. As you can see, we are currently in localhost phpMyAdmin. There is one table with LFC and there are 6 columns: ID, first name, last name, age, city and income. So comments in MySQL are generally used to explain a particular section of MySQL. Suppose if you want to explain a particular SQL statement, so you will put a comment above that SQL statement, which will help you to understand the query better. So there are two types of comments available in MySQL: single line comment and multi-line comment. So single line comment, the comment is of single line, and multiple line comments are the comments which are of multiple lines. You can put two to three lines and all the lines will be in commented box, so that 3 to 4 lines will not be executed during the query run. So first of all, we are going to see what is a single line comment. Single line comment are generally used to give a single line comment, and you can single line comment you can represent with the help of double dash, and in double dash you can explain what is the use of that below query, or you can comment anything, but you have to specify all the information under a single line. So I will specify select star is used to select all the records. Now my select all the records text is commented as we have put double dash prior to that text. So now when I go with this query, this is commented, so it will not be executed. Only select star from LFC will be executed. So when I go with this query, you can see this is the commented section and this is our query, so it will not throw any error. So in this way single line comment work. Now if you want to put comment which is a multiple line text, suppose this is a single line text only. Now in the case if you want to put multiple lines, then this double dash will not work, because if you put select all the records like ID, first name, then it will give an error. You can see over here. So double dash will not work over here. Here you have to type slash star. After that you can type star slash. So now this is a multiple line comment, so you can put multiple lines over here. So select all the records like ID and first name, and this will be our query. So when we go with this query, you can see that this is a commented section and this is our query. So in this way multiple line comment work. You can put 3-4 multiple line as you want over below. So there are only two types of comments you can use in MySQL: single line comment and multiple line comment. You can use both type of comment at a single time. This is a single line comment and this is a multiple line comment. So when I go with this query, you can see that both type of comment, there will be no effect over the query. So in this way MySQL comments work. I have given you the basic idea how comment work in MySQL. You can also try in your localhost phpMyAdmin. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.